Most people think addiction is the problem. Food, porn, scrolling, smoking, overworking, you name it. Different behavior, same mechanism. But what if addiction wasn't actually a solution to another problem in your life? Before we go further, I want us to agree on few things first. First, the problem is not you. You are not broken, you are not weak. The issue is how your life is currently structured. I like to call this life framework. A framework is simply how you run your life, how you wake up, how you deal with boredom, how you handle stress, how you regulate emotions. When there is no framework, everything feels overwhelming. So your nervous system looks for fast relief, and addiction becomes that relief. Here is the mindset that changed everything for me. Addiction is not a lack of willpower, it's a lack of structure and aim. A framework doesn't rely on motivations, it gives you small, clear steps to follow. And when you have steps, discipline becomes easier because you're no longer fighting the whole mountain at once. Now, yes, there's an obvious solutions out there. Behavioral therapy, 12-step program, professional support, and these can work. But I want to give you something that can work with you right now, especially if therapy did not work for you or it's just not accessible at the moment. So let's agree on few core principles first. More resources, more addiction. When pleasure is unlimited, regulation disappears. Second, less self-control equal more dependency. Not because you are weak, but because self-control is a skill, not a personality trait. Third, boredom is not the enemy. Boredom can fuel creativity, clarity, and insight. But if you don't know how to sit with it, it turns into compulsive behavior. Porn is just one example of this. It fills silence, it numbs discomfort, it avoids emotion. So instead of asking, how do I stop this behavior? Ask, what is this behavior protecting me from feeling? What am I actually needing in this moment? That's where real change starts. And here are the most common needs hiding underneath addiction and what can realistically replace them. First, the need for regulation. This is about calming your nervous system. Addiction regulates you fast, but it's artificial. Real replacement, slow breathing, especially long exhales, cold or warm water on the body, massages, walk without your phone, stretching or grounding your body. Not exciting, but effective. Second, the need for connection. Porn gives you the illusion of closeness without vulnerability. Real replacement, safe conversation with real people, voice notes instead of texts, sitting in public spaces instead of isolation, being around others without needing to perform. Connection doesn't have to be deep every time, it just has to be real. Third, the need to feel something. Many people aren't addicted to pleasure, they are addicted to intensity. Real replacement, physical training, cold exposure, creative expression, music that moves emotion, writing what you actually feel, not what sounds good. Feeling isn't dangerous, avoiding it is. And here is the most important thing you do not replace addiction with one thing, you replace it with a framework. When you meet your needs consciously, addiction slowly becomes unnecessary. Not because you fought it, but because your life no longer requires it.